This is brand new to the market. This is our new Hyundai IONIQ 6. The main differences between the Hyundai IONIQ 5 and the 6 is the 5 is a compact SUV and the 6 is a sedan. Hyundai's brand new key design. If you turn it to the side, you can see the H. One of Hyundai's cool customizable features on this vehicle is under settings and then vehicle, ambient lighting. It offers dual lighting, so you can choose one light for the top and one light for the bottom. The question everybody wants to know, what is the range? 270 miles on this fully electric Hyundai IONIQ 6. And that is just some of the amazing features that the Hyundai IONIQ 6 offers. Come see me, Jen Pagato, Bel Air Hyundai.